guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So please ignore the state of me right now. I've just woken up. I think it's like nearly 8 o'clock in the morning, but 7:30, I think. Got up, had a little look outside. I don't know why, but ever since we've come here, I've woke up, come onto the balcony and just stand out here for a little while. It's so nice to just chill out on the balcony, listen to the beach, you know, it's so nice. Plus it's nice and a little bit breezy and nice chilled at first thing in the morning as well. So please ignore the state of me right now. I have literally just woken up. I need to get ready. I am literally still in my pajamas. I love these pajamas, by the way, guys. These pajamas that I got from, I think it was from Shein. It's hard showing you because I haven't got my tripod with it at the moment. It's got Let Me Sleep. They are so comfortable, they are really comfy. But yeah, today, because obviously it's day 3, it is a Sunday. Sorry, I almost burped then. It is a Sunday, and today they go to Chillbox. Now, as you guys would have known, I did tell you in day 2 that we did go to Chillbox, but unfortunately they had some maintenance going on, so I couldn't actually get one. So we're going to go to Chillbox today. So we got planned today. On the way back from Chillbox, we're going to pop into some more souvenir shops, just have a little look. I will actually try and film some, actually. I haven't filmed any shops yet. We'll try and film some for you guys. We've got to get some more souvenir gifts for people. Obviously Lisa's got to get something for Taylor, I've got to get something for Nathan. I haven't got nothing yet. And there is a clothes shop as well that we keep walking past every day. Nathan keeps wondering whether we're going to go in there or not, so we can go in there, have a little look, see if there's anything in there, and then obviously on the way back, what we're going to do actually, we was going to go by the pool, but where Lisa's still on, I would feel bad just swimming away while she's just dipping her feet in. So we're going to go swimming on Thursday now, go along the beach, have a little chill day at the beach maybe. I've actually seen on TikTok early this morning actually that he's got like a monkey club, which is actually across the road from us. I will show you in a second, but you can actually go in there and have a few drinks, sit down, and you're literally by the seaside. So might try that today as well, but whatever we do, I will take you guys with me. This is the monkey club that I was on about. Let's try and zoom you in. So that is the monkey club. So I've seen it actually on TikTok, and it actually does look really, really nice. So obviously that is our view, as always. But yeah, I might go into the monkey club as well, have a little look, see what's in there. Also, there is other places that we haven't actually been yet. We've got, I think it's Costa a G, that end. I haven't been that far up really, so might have a little walk up that way a bit more. Yeah, we're just trying to get our surroundings. I know it's day 3 and we should be doing activities, this, that and the other, but we've actually got the boat park tomorrow, so we need to find the bus stop for that so we know where we're going. So yeah, we've got the boat trip tomorrow, which you guys will actually see. That is actually early in the morning, so we will have to, because the bus has got to pick us up at 9:30, so we've got to try and get up early, try and get downstairs to have breakfast, and then go straight to the bus stop to get the bus. I will take you guys with me anyway, but I've got a funny feeling I can actually see the harbour from here. I don't know if I'll be able to zoom you in, guys, because it might be a bit too far, but from where our hotel is, I can actually see. Let me actually try actually. So I was saying to Lisa yesterday that there, it's hard to show you, that there might be the harbour. So technically I don't think we've got that far to go anyway, but yeah, whatever we do, I will take you guys along with me. If we go into shops, I will try and film as much as I can, just to show you guys what they have, what the prices are like, just in case if any of you guys would like to come to Tenerife. So I'm all ready for breakfast. Now, I changed my bikini top because it was meant to be a yellow one, but because it is so bright, it didn't go with the cami top, so I changed it into the white bikini. So I've got a white scrunchie in my hair, and I've got a white bikini top, yellow cami top, white shorts, sandals. This is what I'm wearing. So obviously we're gonna go down and get a breakfast, and then we are going to head straight out. So our plan of day is going to Chillbox. I really want to get one of their drinks. I said to Nathan before I come home, before I came to Tenerife, that I want to get one of the chill boxes before I even get home. I want to try them out, see what all the hype is about, see if they are brilliant like everyone else says. But yeah, we're going to go to Chillbox. We're going to go to all the other shops as well. I'm actually going to go into the clothes shop as well that Nathan keeps going on about, because every time we go past the hotel, there's a clothes store. And he keeps thinking we're going to go in there. So do you know what? I'm actually going to go in there and see what it's like. Once we've done all that, we've got to find the bus stop ready for tomorrow, so we know where we've got to go. And then come back and like put everything away. The stuff that we are not using, or if we've worn the clothes so many times, we are just going to pack back in our suitcase, because then it's a less pressure on us for when we actually do go pack in our suitcase. So when it comes to like Thursday night, then we won't have a lot to pack. So we're going to start, not obviously pack everything away, just things that we ain't using. Like I've brought my makeup with me and I've not even used it once. The only thing that I've actually used is my mascara and lip balm and lip oil, and that's about it. I've not really used the rest of it. Plus my mermaid waver, I'm not even using that. Like, because it's so hot, I've not even had my hair down. I've always had it up because it's just so hot. I don't like my hair down in the hot weather. So yeah, I'm going to pack my mermaid waver away. And there's a few clothes that I've worn quite a few times, like my airport outfit I want to pack away. I don't know what I'm going to wear on the way home. That is a Thursday night problem, but yeah, even, you never know, I might even buy something today for the airport. But yeah, whatever we do, I will take you guys along with me. Today's breakfast. Obviously I've got orange juice, Lisa's got water. First empty plate since arriving in Tenerife. Lisa's doing well. Wow. First empty plate. Enjoyed. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I've got a friend on the side of my face. Brilliant. On our way to Chillbox, just what I wanted to show you, the view, what we're looking like on our way. Loads of casinos. Well, most of the shops don't open until 10:30, but just thought I'd just come and have a look and see what it's like. The lights remind me of Christmas, and I absolutely love it. Highly recommend the Chillbox if you ever come to Tenerife. They're really nice. This is the Pink Paradise, and yeah, You get a couple of sweets on top and you get a little bottle of gin. Really nice, I love it. They're nice. Done a little bit of shopping. Now we are heading back to the room just to chill out for a little while, and then we've got to go and find our bus stop for Monday. But for now, we're just going to go and chill out at the room for a little while. So we just got back to our room. We're just going to chill out for a little while. We've done a lot of walking, as you guys would have guessed and what I've seen from what I showed you. We've done a lot of walking. Just wanted to recap of what we've done. So obviously you guys would have seen that we walked all the way down the end of the street, went through to, it looked like a little shopping centre. We went in there. Obviously nothing was open yet because we was a bit too early. Around about 10, half 10, things start opening up. But then, as you guys would have seen, I went to Chill Box. I highly recommend this. Now, if anyone goes to Tenerife and you want to go to Chill Box, I highly recommend. It is amazing. Their drinks are incredible. You can actually have the non-alcoholic ones if you want to, but I had the alcoholic one, obviously, because you've really got to if you're going on holiday. Yeah, I really wanted to try it ever since I saw it on TikTok, and I kept seeing it all over TikTok before we went away. So yeah, I'm so pleased about Chill Box. They come with the little cups as well, little straws, and as you guys would have seen, it had like little sweets on top and a little bottle of gin. I had the Pink Paradise and it was incredible. It's nice and cold. The first sip I had, it gave me brain freeze. But yeah, I absolutely loved it. Then we was like walking along, shopping, looking for all the shops, and we went into the fund group, if that's what you call it. It's like all perfumes, aftershaves, makeup, you know. We did go into the Koala Bay first. It was like a clothes shop. Nothing really picked our fancy, and it only went up to XL, and in the UK sizes that's an 18, and obviously my big bum ain't gonna get fit for a size 18. So if you can hear any noises, it's Lisa's phone and Lisa's rustling in the background. But we just got a few little things. Obviously this is Lisa's for Taylor, so we got our Ralph, a few little things. I got this one for Nathan. Now, he's never actually had a Jimmy Choo men aftershave before, and I thought, do you know what, I'll treat him some. So I've actually smelt this and it smells really nice, so I got him that. That was €40.90, so I got him that. And then I actually treated myself to a YSL perfume. I've been seeing this all over internet and stuff, and I've been wanting to try it. I smelt it before I obviously purchased it. It smells incredible, and this was €64.90. So yeah, I've purchased myself a little perfume as well. So what we're going to do now is just chill out for a little while, and then maybe go down to the bar, have a couple of drinks. So we've got to find out where our bus stop is, ready for tomorrow, so we've got to go and do that. And then depends on what the time is. If we've got enough time, maybe walk along the beach or go by the pool. If it's near enough dinner time, I want to try and video call Nathan sometime as well, the first video call. So that'll probably be sometime in the afternoon, so we'll have to come back to the hotel room so I can video call Nathan. But yeah, now we're just going to chill out and then go down to the bar, have a couple of drinks, and then find out where our bus stop is. For the rest of the evening, we just chilled out onto the balcony, got enough sun. I've literally got so much more suntan. I'm literally red raw. But yeah, and then I video called Nathan, and then we just got ready for dinner. So obviously I'm just wearing my white scrunchie. I thought I'd put this top on because I've got so much sunburn at the top lately. I don't want to catch too much. So I've got this top on, and then I've got some black cycling shorts on, just my flip-flops. As you can see, I've actually caught tan on my legs as well. But before we go and get dinner, we are going to go and find the bus stop. I've got a funny idea where it is, but just to be on the safe side, we're going to go there anyway, just so I know where we got to go in the morning, because it's really, really early in the morning. The bus is picking us up at 9:30 in the morning. The boat sails at 10, so we've got to be there before 9:30, as well as get up, get changed, and have something to eat. Brilliant. Early morning start for us, but yeah. So for now, we're just going to go and find the bus stop, then we're going to go for dinner and then chill out and have a couple of drinks and then go by the beach, but you guys will be coming with us anyway. So we've just got back and this is our dinner. So obviously I've got chips, tuna, cucumber mash, potatoes and some, I think it's like kebab chicken, and then I've got desserts. I didn't know which one to get, so I've got both. Well, as you can see, I kind of demolished all mine, which was really good. The desserts though were really, really nice. And obviously, Lizzie's just left it a little bit, which is fine. Yeah, now time to go and get a drink by the pool bar. By the pool bar, having a drink. Shops dinner. My face is literally so red. My whole body, my legs, my belly, my face, everything just feels so red and feels so sore, but it's good. So we have come back to the room. Please excuse the cream I've got on. I've got sun after sun on. My sunburn is starting to hurt now. It's not my chest itself, it's just more my stomach area, because obviously that's never caught sun before, so it's kind of hurting. My legs are hurting a bit. But yeah, I'm going to end today's video here because we are now just going to chill out, watch Love Island, and then I'm just going to text Nathan straight after for a little while, and then we've got to go to bed early because we've got to get up really early because we've got a boat trip tomorrow. And yeah, so that's going to be happening tomorrow. I will show you guys what's going to happen and everything. We probably won't have breakfast because of the time, the boat trip. So obviously the bus is picking us up at 9:30 in the morning and the boat is sailing at 10, so we won't have enough time to have breakfast. We will only just have enough time to get up, maybe have a cup of tea and then go. It takes about 14, maybe 15 minutes, it depends on traffic and everything. So yeah, it takes us about 14 to 15 minutes to walk there. But I will show you guys anyway. But I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, as always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.